Is that delicious?
Yeah.
Say hi to Alex and Ani.
Yeah, where are they?
Well, they're somewhere.
Yeah.
Hey, guess what?
What?
Alex had her baby. Alex had a baby.
That's why I'm trying to get in there.
Do you want to see a picture of the baby?
Yeah, she did.
Would you like to see a picture of the baby?
Yeah, let me see.
Okay. There's a picture of Alex's baby. Look at that little baby. That's your grandbaby.
Yeah.
Is that cool?
Yep.
That's your little baby, little grandbaby.
Yeah. Come on.
Isn't that great? Look at that. Look at that.
Okay, so I'll just have
It's Alex's brand new baby. He had it today.
Yeah.
She had it today. It was 9 pounds. 9-pound baby boy.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool, huh? So Annie's a new grandmother today. That's so cool. She's so happy.
Mm-hmm. The girls, like all the girls.
I know. And she's got her little zebra coat on.
Yeah.
It kind of matches your leopard scarf.
Yep.
You're ladies of the Serengeti.
Yeah, we got it.